In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create flashcards in Notion. We'll walk through a simple way to use Notion's built-in templates so you can start studying or memorizing information more efficiently without having to build a system from scratch. First, open Notion on your computer. Look toward the top of the left sidebar. There you'll see a small arrow or an option that takes you to the Marketplace area. Go ahead and click that. This is where Notion keeps a collection of templates created either by Notion or by the community, and it's the fastest way to set up ready-made pages like flashcards. Once you're in the Marketplace, look for the section labeled Templates and click on it. This filters the Marketplace so you're only seeing full-page templates rather than individual blocks or other resources. Templates are essentially pre-built pages with layouts, properties, and sample content already set up for you, which is exactly what we want for flashcards. Now, head over to the search bar in the Templates section and type in flashcards. Make sure you spell it with a space, just as you normally would. After a moment, you'll see a list of results that match your search. These are different flashcard-style templates created for various use cases: language learning, exam prep, definitions, and more. From the list of search results, browse until you find a flashcard template that looks good to you. You might see a preview image, a short description, and sometimes tags that indicate what it's best for. When you've found the one you want to use, click on it to open its detailed view. Here you can usually see more screenshots and a description of how the template works, which can help you decide if it fits your needs. If you're happy with this template, look for the Add button and click it. Notion will then add this flashcard template directly to your workspace. After it's added, you can customize it, change the titles, adjust the properties like question and answer, add topics or tags, and of course start entering your own flashcards. From here, you can duplicate existing sample cards, create new ones, and organize them by subject or difficulty. And that's all you need to get a flashcard system up and running in Notion using the Marketplace templates.